Okay, lights, camera, action.
Hi, I'm Jig. Hi, I'm Ben. We're here to, yep.
Just wanted to touch base and let you know we are open on,
Hey guys, I'm Nate from Allegan Event. We've been busy cleaning and we are excited for our shouldn't have said grand. Almost to the point where I can get a handlebar.
Here today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your zipline experience with the quick upgrade your zipline experience with the vertical quick jump. It's with the quick jump. Oh shoot. Vert. Why do I keep saying vert? Quick jump free fall. Shoot. Hi guys, I'm Zach. I'm the new. Oh man.
Take two.
Yeah. I'm like getting red.